Women have better communication skills. Studies have shown that women tend to excel in verbal and nonverbal communication, including emotional expression and empathy. Have you ever wondered why women seem naturally good at communicating? Science backs this up, stating women excel in verbal exchanges. They're not just good with words, nonverbal communication is also a forte. Women can read body language, facial expressions, and tone with ease. Emotional expression? Women have that covered too. They express feelings effectively, forming deeper connections with others. Ever heard of empathy? Women are champions of understanding and sharing feelings. So, next time you're in a conversation with a woman, remember, she's a communication expert. It's not just chatter, it's science.